Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking your device and opening Google Images. This matters because layout and filters differ. Start typing concise keywords that describe the picture. Include color, subject, and size if relevant. Once done, press Enter and immediately use the Tools menu to restrict size, color, or time range. These filters narrow thousands of results into a manageable set. Make sure to scan thumbnails fast, because visual clues often confirm the right image before you click. Next, refine using Google's reverse image search and advanced operators. If you have a sample, upload it or paste its URL. Google will show exact matches and visually similar images. This helps locate higher resolution or source pages. If not, add operators like cite, example, com, or file type, JPG to focus results, and prefix with a minus to exclude unwanted terms. Once you see promising results, open the image page to confirm context and resolution. Make sure to compare file names and metadata for authenticity. Finally, verify and save the picture responsibly. You should open the image hosting page to check copyright, description, and date. That tells you if reuse is allowed. Once confirmed, open the high-resolution image in a new tab and use Download or Save as to keep a copy. If results are poor, try troubleshooting. Change keywords to synonyms, remove ambiguous modifiers, or use a clearer sample for reverse search. If nothing works, widen time range and recheck filters. One small change often fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.